Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be putting the JSAUX Transparent Edition back on my Steam Deck, and this one is in the red color, which is pretty cool. I haven't seen too many of the red ones on YouTube. So we're going to go ahead and slice this puppy open. Get out what we need. Ooh, I like this. Reminds me of the strawberry iMac Red, which was one of my favorites on the G3. Very nice. Sorry if it's crooked, I can't get my camera from a behind angle right now because my extension broke the other day when I was doing the thermal paste install. And this should be our accessories right here and our buttons. Let's see, so there's our buttons, some little finger glove things that we're not going to wear for static protection, a little screwdriver. I'm going to use my iFixit one. I might actually try this to open it. And then we have our middle screws, so they are nice and labeled. We have our middle screws. We have our screws for the buttons themselves. And we have our outer screws for the back of the Steam Deck. So we're going to put our buttons on. I'm going to go with the medium ones, I think. Let's see, this one is L5. So the way they go in is they go under, right there, under, and then down. So make sure you put them under this piece right here, or it won't click down when you're actually using your Steam Deck. Yeah, I think I'm going to go with that right there, just slightly raised. So I'm going to put all these in, get them screwed down, and then I'll come back when I get to the actually installing the back on the Steam Deck. Alright, so our buttons are screwed down. They actually give you double the screws than what you need, so I just put this back in the bag in case I need them later. So that's what it looks like. Kind of just raises them up off the back a little bit. So that's very nice. I'll try that out when it's on the Steam Deck. So I got my Steam Deck here. I'm going to rest it in the case to take these out. I've taken these out a couple times, so they're kind of getting a little wacky, so I'm going to go ahead and replace them with the ones that came with the backplate. And I'll probably go on iFixit and order just some spares. Just because I like playing around on the inside, and I wear these out a little bit, putting them in and out. Don't want to have one get stuck in there. I know you guys can't see the other side, but I'm just taking these two out real quick. Okay. We'll try the little tool they included. That actually worked surprisingly well. don't forget your SD card. I'm surprised I haven't broken that one in half yet, because that's been the only thing that's held this back on a couple times I've taken it off. Alright, so make sure you take this little plastic piece off here. And snap her on. There's going to be a little bit of a gap here until you put the screw in, just because of that pad. Let's see. There we go. It's on. I'm going to go ahead and get all the screws put back in. It's just reverse taking those out, and then I'll come back and show it to you guys. Alright, so there is the finished product. The gap on the top is gone once the screws are in, and all the buttons are clicking just fine. So that is going to be very nice, and it looks really, really nice. They have this in like a smoke gray, like a teal green, I think a blue, a couple different colors. I'll leave a link on the for Amazon down in the description if you guys want to check this out. But I'm Conlon with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.